To begin, we will first ask Google Bard to suggest profitable niches on Pinterest. This will guide us to make an informed decision. So, if you look over here, this is my prompt, requesting that it suggest profitable niches on Pinterest. And here are some profitable niches for us to select from. We have food and drinks. This is a good niche. We have DIY crafts, which you can promote with offers relating to woodworking, home improvement, and all of that. We have the home decor. This is about recommending furniture and accessories. In general, anything home decorations and all that. You can find more of these offers on Amazon. The fashion and beauty niche is apparently trending. I mean, everyone wants to look good, right? So you can look into this niche if you have a flair for fashion and beauty. As you can see, there are a lot of niches to choose from. All you need to do is choose a niche, build it, and become an authority. So for this purpose, I'm going to go with the fitness and wellness niche because it is quite broad and I could actually market a lot of offers if I wanted. As you can see, we have the workout routine, we have the healthy recipe, and we have motivational quotes. We also have mental well-being and all of that, so I'm going to copy this right now and paste it in my notepad. And I will go ahead and request trending topics in the fitness and wellness niche. And there you go. So Google Bard actually did a very good job. And one thing I noticed is that these are actually board ideas in which you can create several topics. And if you don't know what Pinterest boards are, in simple terms, boards are where you save, collect, and organize your pins. So use boards to organize your business pins so that people can easily browse your profile or explore your ideas. For example, this is mental wellness. As you can see, you can create content on stress management, mindfulness exercises, self-care routines, and all of that. So there are a lot of boards here to use, and we have the calorie-conscious recipe. We have the plant-based diet, we have sustainable fitness, and all of that. So we are going to use calorie-conscious recipe as one of our boards. So I'm going to save all of this now to make our board, but before that, I will go ahead and tell Google Bard to suggest topics for this board, calories-conscious recipe. And remember, we are using Google Bard because of its ability to generate real-time information. So copy and save this prompt for later. And there you go. Having gone through all of this, suggested topics, tips, and tricks, and all that, I think I will go with this topic, which is the weekly meal plan. And we are going to ask for a full blog post on this topic. And there you go. This article gives an insight into what to eat for breakfast from Monday to the weekend. The same goes for lunch and dinner with meals less than 1,500 calories. So I will copy all of this and head to site.google. Just click on the first one and sign in with your Gmail account, and you will be brought here. Click on the blank space and paste in the article. Now you might be wondering, do we make money from this article? Well, if you go through the article, it talks about calories, and people who are interested in calories are mostly people who want to lose weight. And what this means is that we need to market them some product nicely. While we are providing value, we are also making money on the side. So to achieve this, you're going to head over to ClickBank. And don't worry, this strategy works with any affiliate network of your choice. Some people complain that ClickBank doesn't work in their country, so you can try out Digistore, Max Bounty, and all of that. Here's the ClickBank marketplace, and we will use multiple offers for this strategy. Come over to the search bar and type Keto Diet Plan to see all related offers. I will go for this product because it does convert well, and it's quite new here. You would want to check out the affiliate page, a new tab, which is always very essential, so you know their do's and don'ts. Do this for every product you're marketing. And as you see, we have a lot of information on this page. We have some marketing material. Here, we've got the banner set, and all you need to do is click on the download button to have it on your device, and that's basically it here. So you want to take your time out and read about their policy too. So one thing you would want to do right now is you want to click on the promote button. This product has 3 landing pages. So what you're going to do right now is preview the second landing page. Open it in a new tab, and it will bring you up here, choose your gender. And if you look closely here, it says to choose your problem area. It has laid out the most likely places everyone would want to lose weight in, which makes it look more personalized and resonating. You see, I am currently promoting this offer, and like I said, it does convert well, so don't sleep on this offer. Now, input your username. Select this landing page, which is the quiz page in our case, so right now I will input my tracking ID. This would be anything, so Pinterest it is for us. And I'm going to copy and paste this in my notepad so that I won't lose it. And remember what our strategy is, right? Now I'm going for the second offer, and that will be a smoothie diet offer. And there you go. So I'm going to go for this product. And as you can see, it does have a good gravity score, though it's been around for a while. So click here to promote this offer. Now input your tracking ID, and that's Pinterest as the traffic source. Click on Create, then copy and paste the hop link in our notepad. And there you go. So we have two offers here. One is the keto diet, and the other is the smoothie diet, so we are good to go. And you can even get more related products such as cooking recipes, yoga, and all of that, and just put them together, and that will make up the links in your article. Don't worry, you're going to get the strategy shortly, and you're going to see the flow in it. So all you need to do is pay close attention. Now we will head back to our article on Site Google, and here I will insert our links. So first, I will go ahead and copy our quiz link from the notepad and paste it in here. And remember, the keto diet is our main offer, right? So secondly, I will scroll through and search for words or phrases such as meal, diet, calories, and all of that. Then I will just insert the keto diet links. And where I get words related to drinks, juice, smoothies, and all of that, I will also insert the smoothie diet link. And I hope that you are getting to understand this, right? And there you go. As you can see, our links have been embedded and they look pretty nice. The next thing to do is to add the image so it can really look beautiful. I'm just going to click on the image feature and click on upload. Then I'm going to get the images from my library. And there you go. So this was gotten from pixabay.com for absolutely free. And I think it's ideal to add one more image down here. And there you have it. Everything is looking pretty nice. Now you can publish. Click on the publish button and choose a good website name for your article by giving it a keyword-based title. And for us, it's a weekly meal plan. Then click on publish to go live. Now you will be able to preview your article by clicking over here. So we just created a free landing page for our affiliate offer, and if you look closely, I think it's really looking beautiful. Now what you need to do is to check if your links are actually working. And if you click on any link here, it will take you to the affiliate sales page. This is the keto quiz page. And for example, if you click on where it says smoothie, it takes you straight up to the smoothie diet offer. So can you see how powerful this strategy is, right? And this is how you get to sell them in a very nice way. As said earlier, everything we are going to be using for the strategy will be free resources. So don't worry, you are not paying for the traffic nor marketing resources. So right now you head over to Google and you're going to type weight loss video Pixabay in the search bar. Then click on the second post. And when you do, it will bring you up here. So you have all of these videos to yourself. It's free. Choose a keyword here to get a targeted video. And for us, it is diet. And there you go. These are high quality videos that we can use for our offer. So I'm going to save like 4 to 5 videos because this strategy requires you to post like 2 to 3 times in a day. And since we're getting all this free, so be sure to take advantage. So I'm going to download about 4 to 5 of these videos to work with. But you don't want to upload the video straight to Pinterest. That will be very boring, so we will need to add some text and all. And this will lead us to the next phrase. So here is Canva, and here we're going to work on the video we downloaded. All you need to do is just type in Pinterest here, then click on the Pinterest video pin, and once you do, you'll be brought up to this page where you can either start from scratch or you're going to use a template. We're going to use a template here, and there you go. I'm going to click on upload and upload all the videos I downloaded. I downloaded about 3 videos, and I'm going to work with this. So what I'm going to do right now is delete this because I don't think I want it. And I'm just going to tweak this to my needs. Now I will click on my preferred video to have it over there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it as background. So it's going to be full instead of half. And there you go. Set it as background. And I'm going to work on the text. But first, let me adjust this by making it a bit transparent for aesthetic purposes. I will paste in our article title here, and there you have it. So this is the end result of the video we just created here. And it's pretty straightforward. So this is what you would always want to do with all of the videos. And ensure you keep the video short. Video between 12 to 17 seconds make the most. Now click on share, then click on download, click on the download button again, and you wait for it to have it downloaded, and that's it, guys. Now we are heading to the most crucial part of the strategy, and I'm going to show you something really interesting about this strategy. So now let's head over to Pinterest. So this is Pinterest here, and I'll always advise that before you get started with anything, it's always good to check out what your competitors are doing, and this is how you can actually get to do better or even outdo them. I'm going to click on a random image here to see more. This is a very good post. The title also has weight loss as the keyword, which is good for SEO. So these are the steps you need to take note when creating a pin. And here is the profile. It has over 2 million subscribers. And if you scroll down, these are all boards of different kinds. And if you click on the makeup board, you will only find content relating to makeup. And I believe you are getting to understand how Pinterest works, right? And if you look over here, these are the boards that Google Bard suggested for us earlier in this tutorial, right? So we're going to replicate something similar to what this person is doing. But first, you will need to create a business account, if you don't have one, and I will leave the link to the business account creation page in my description box for easy access. The sign-up process is quite easy, so enter your email address and all of that. So choose a generic name to fit in all kinds of boards that you will be creating. And for the website, just tick no if you don't have one. So follow through and fill in this information. And when you do, then you will be brought up to this page. Just click on the Create Pin and you will be brought up here. Then upload the video we just downloaded from Canva. And for the title and description, this will be gotten from the article Google Bard generated for us. Make it a bit catchy. You can also tweak it a little too. So for the link, head back to the site Google and click on the link icon to grab the link to the article, then back to Pinterest and paste it. The next thing you would want to do is create a board. As you can see, I have some boards here, but I will create a new board. So I'm going to click on Create, then copy one of the boards that the AI generated for us. I will go with Calories Conscious Recipe, and that's it. Then click on Create to have it saved. That was easy. For our tags, which are relatively keywords, go for the keyword you want to rank for, such as weight loss, diet, or meal plan, and all of that will be fine. Now our pin is looking well crafted. You don't need to overcomplicate pin creation. So click on Publish, and that's it. And this is how people will view your post. And whenever someone clicks on the link, it takes them to your article. And when they make any purchase, you will be getting some commission. And you are most likely to make a sale on the first day if you follow this strategy. So you want to be attention about your article and the affiliate offers that you are promoting, and make sure it aligns with the subject of the article. If you find any part confusing, please kindly re-watch the tutorial video or drop your question in the comment section. I hope you really found this Pinterest affiliate marketing tutorial super helpful. You can also check out my other affiliate marketing videos for more wins, and let me know what you think about this. If you want more of this strategy, you know what? Just hit the like button if you will be taking action now. I am off here, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers, guys.